People think they're in control of their decisions. They're not. Your brain is being quietly manipulated every single day. But once you know how it works, you can use it. Trick 1. When you hear your own name, something fires in your brain. Attention centers activate. A dopamine hit follows. Suddenly, the person who said your name feels important. So next time you talk to someone, use their name once. Naturally, not forced. Watch how fast they warm up to you. But trick 2 is how brands quietly rob you every single day. At a movie theater, small, medium, large popcorn. Medium costs almost as much as large. That's not an accident. It's called the Decoy Effect. The middle option exists for one reason, to make you pick large. You think you chose. The brand chose for you. Now you'll never look at a menu the same way. And trick 3, one word changes how people respond to you forever. Researchers tested this at a photocopy machine. Someone asked, "Can I go first?" 60% said yes. Then they added one word. "Can I go first because I need to make copies?" 93% said yes. The reason was obvious. It didn't matter. The word because triggers automatic compliance in the human brain. Give a reason, any reason, and people follow. Your name, a fake choice, one word, 3 things controlling your life without you even noticing. Now you notice. If this made you think, subscribe and comment which trick surprised you most.